Get ready to discover the wildest kitchen gadgets Amazon has to offer. In this video, you'll see some incredibly unique products that'll leave you wondering how you've cooked without them. Let's dive right into these crazy kitchen gadgets you didn't even know existed. Bring creativity to the kitchen with the incredible Print Pen, a handheld food printer that customizes your lattes, macarons, and cookies with images, logos, or even QR codes. Compact, portable, and easy to use via Bluetooth with the EveBot Snap app. It effortlessly prints stunning designs even on curved surfaces thanks to its innovative roller sensor technology. Whether you're personalizing treats for special occasions or branding your cafe offerings, this gadget ensures every creation is uniquely yours. Transform your kitchen cabinets with this ingenious pull-down heavy-duty shelf that effortlessly brings hard-to-reach items directly to you. Featuring a gas-assisted two-tier design, it smoothly pulls down and out, locking securely in place for easy hands-free access. Ideal for maximizing tall cabinets, it's sturdy, easy to install, and makes every inch of your storage space conveniently accessible. Why clutter your drawers when you can have 6 essential kitchen tools neatly stacked together in one compact set? Featuring a cheese grater, ginger grinder, pizza cutter, bottle opener, fruit peeler, and herb stripper, all made with durable stainless steel blades and lightweight ABS handles, this clever set saves space while keeping your kitchen organized. Dishwasher safe and beautifully boxed, it's the ultimate gift for home chefs and gadget enthusiasts alike. Forget fumbling through countless spoons. This innovative plastic measuring cube, combining multiple measurements into a single compact tool. With clearly marked sides, it effortlessly measures liquids, powders, or spices, eliminating guesswork and reducing kitchen clutter. Easy to clean, durable, and versatile, this cube-shaped gadget simplifies cooking and baking, offering accurate measurements every time without the fuss. Upgrade your hydration game with this innovative countertop water purifier, featuring advanced 7-stage reverse osmosis filtration, UV sterilization, and essential remineralization, all in a stylish, compact design that fits perfectly in your kitchen. With a smart LED display providing real-time water quality insights and convenient one-touch operation, you'll enjoy clean, tasty water effortlessly while significantly reducing plastic waste. Plus, with the unique fruit infuser attachment and daily tracking carafe, staying hydrated becomes refreshingly delicious and easy. Say goodbye to ice cubes and hello to perfect slushy drinks with the Ninja Slushie, featuring revolutionary rapid chill technology that transforms liquids like juice, soda, coffee, or even wine into smooth, delicious frozen treats. With simple, one-touch controls, customizable texture settings, and a convenient, easy-fill vessel, making your ideal frozen beverage has never been easier or tastier. Plus, its insulated design keeps your slush icy cold and ready to enjoy for up to 12 hours. Enjoy warm, perfectly sealed sandwiches, golden grilled cheeses, tasty omelets, or even dessert treats in minutes with this versatile stainless steel Panini Maker. Its compact, space-saving design fits effortlessly onto any countertop and conveniently stores upright in your cabinet, making it ideal for any kitchen. Plus, cleanup is hassle-free thanks to non-stick plates. Just wipe and you're ready for the next delicious creation. Take your beverage game to the next level with this sleek and stylish sparkling water machine, designed to effortlessly carbonate water at home with just a simple press. Its dishwasher-safe glass bottle, elegant metal cap, and quick carbonation technology deliver refreshing, sparkling water instantly, making hand-washing bottles a thing of the past. Crafted with a premium finish in classic steel or matte black, this sophisticated gadget perfectly blends convenience, style, and top-notch. Say goodbye to cluttered kitchen drawers with this colorful, collapsible funnel set, perfect for transferring liquids, oils, or baking ingredients without spills or mess. Made from food-grade silicone that's heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe, these flexible funnels collapse flat, saving precious storage space. Available in 4 convenient sizes and vibrant colors, this essential kitchen accessory is both practical and fun, ideal for every home chef. Make precise cooking and baking effortless with this versatile magnetic measuring spoon set, featuring 7 clearly labeled sizes that easily stack together magnetically, saving storage space while staying neatly organized. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with dual-ended spoons for both dry and liquid ingredients, it's perfect for spices, oils, baking, and more, ensuring accurate measurements every time. a must-have kitchen tool that combines convenience, durability, and practicality, ideal for both cooking beginners and seasoned chefs.